Synod College haka arpusantarik unailar aja arpuar kala Pynlong international seminar halor kapang sustainability towards a renewing existence. Yakni ka seminar la Kirshan da State Council of Science, Technology and Environment jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Laidon ringkat kumukong san do Professor B. Panda, Honorary Director jong ka Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Center Shillong.
The fact of the matter is that we need economic sustainability, we need social sustainability, we need environmental sustainability. For example, we cannot live without goods and services being produced in a country, in a society. Jobs being created. When we produce goods and services, jobs are to be created. So that's why we need to have economic activities. Without that, we cannot live. But the question is, what kind of goods and services we do produce? How do we produce? It's all about what, how, regarding that production arrangement. Similarly, when you produce goods and services, how do you produce? The next question. Are these goods and services produced taking into account the requirements of the people, taking into account the participation of the people? Development is not all about producing goods and services, although goods and services are required to be produced. But then, how are they produced? How are they distributed? How are they consumed? Have they been produced by the participation of the large mass of the population? Is there some kind of a social capital which is built up in the society and to support, I think, this kind of production of goods and services? So the element of participation is equally important when it comes to sustainable development.
So when anyone needs to give a definition of sustainable development, the only thing they manage to do, that's all of us in a way, is to go back to that 1987 definition of the World Commission on Environment and Development, which told us two main things. One is that sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present and the future. And second, that there are limitations imposed by the state of technology and social organization on the environment's ability to cope with the changes. Now, the question is, what is it that sustainable development brings in terms of new thinking? What is it the difference that it has made to our lives? In terms of just conceptually, for now, not in terms of practical change.